Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are a few important actions to take together that can help repair your relationship. Make sure there is remorse. Be honest about why it happened. Remove temptations to re-engage with the affair. Move forward with brutal honesty and care. Be selective about who you tell. Consider working with a licensed therapist.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cheating doesn't mean your partner doesn't love you. If they cheat on me, that means they don't love me. Here's what I found. There is little correlation. But for those who do love their partners, there are still many reasons to fall in love and get romantic or sexual with someone else.
Take our lead.
It is estimated that if someone cheated before, there is a 350% chance that they will cheat again, compared to those who have never cheated. In the same study that states that cheaters will cheat again, they found that those who have been cheated on will most likely be cheated on again.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rebuilding trust when you've hurt someone. Consider why you did it. Before you embark on the process of rebuilding trust, you'll first want to check in with yourself to understand why you did it. Apologize sincerely. Give your partner time. Let their needs guide you. Commit to clear communication.
Take our lead.
Your partner has to make the choice not to cheat, and you can't control other people's decisions. However, you can choose whether or not to trust your partner again. Rebuilding trust is possible. It does take a lot of work, and both partners have to be committed to healing the relationship.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rebuilding trust. Decide to forgive or to be forgiven. Make a conscious decision to love by trying to let go of the past. Be open to self-growth and improvement. You can't repair broken trust with just promises and statements of forgiveness. Be aware of your innermost feelings and share your thoughts. Want it to work?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.